Welcome to the video. We are going to solve count pair sum in matrices. In this question, we are given a matrix, two matrices of n cross n and a target value x. These matrices are sorted in row wise and column wise order. Okay, so we are given two matrices of n cross n order, and these matrices are sorted in ascending order in row wise and column wise manner. Cool. And we have to find one number each from matrix 1 and matrix 2, which means we need to find a pair wherein each number from matrix 1 and matrix 2 which gets value which has sum exactly equal to the value x. I will again iterate. We are given matrix of n cross n, two matrices of n cross n sorted in ascending order in row wise and column wise manner. We need to find the number of pairs such that each number in the pair comes from each of the matrices and their sum is equal to the target value x. Target value x. Cool. In example 1, we are given matrix of 3 cross 3 and target is 21. Target is 21. We need to find one number from x matrix 1 and one number from matrix 2 such that their sum reads to 21, which is the target value. If we take 1 from the matrix 1 and 20th from the matrix 2, this will give us sum 21, one value. Then again, if we take 5 from matrix 1 and 16 from matrix 2, this will again give us 21. Then two values. Then again, if we take 8 from matrix 1 and 13 from matrix 2, this will again lead to 21, three values, and 11 from matrix 1 and 10 from matrix 2. This will again lead us to 21. So these were the four values. These were the four values. And you may think that what if I take 16 from matrix 2 and 5 from matrix 1? No, we will only take one value, one time. We do not need to duplicate. Cool. Similarly, in example 2, we are given two matrices of 2 cross 2 range and the x target value is 10. Again, two values. If we take 3 from matrix 1 and 7 from matrix 2, similarly, 4 from matrix 1 and 6 from matrix 2, this will give us 10, sum as 10. How we will do it? There are various ways. Okay, there are various ways, such as two pointers method using hash map and all. And this will the solution is always simpler. Okay, the approach is simpler, but uh, the length will become lengthy. So I want to solve this question in very easier format since it is marked as easier also, and I want to make it very easy for you to understand. And we are given expected complexity of n cross order of n cross, okay, n cross n, so we'll leverage that also. So first of all, a set I'll create a set, cool, and a result value 0. This result will hold the count of pairs, which will give us value equal to 21. Cool. So first of all, I will traverse in matrix 1 in range. I will traverse in matrix 2 first, and I will try to solve this question similar to we do two sum method, two sum and three sum question. Okay. So first of all, I will add the matrix element of matrix 2 I comma j, okay, in the set. I added the elements of matrix in the set, and adding set will solve the duplication problem. Okay, it will remove the duplicates. Now I will traverse in matrix 1 in range for j in range n. Okay. Now, the only condition is if x minus matrix 1, the if the ij element of matrix 1 which gets subtracted from x has presence in S, which means see this line is exactly similar to what we do in two sum question and three sum question, that if x minus matrix ij, gets equal to value present in this set, then it means we have reached a pair. We have reached a pair. Append the value of result. At the end, after that we have found all such pairs. We have added the calculation of all such pairs. Will return the result. Will return the result, which holds the count of pairs. Let me submit it and check the efficiency. Yeah, it does the job. It does the job pretty effortlessly. You can see it took less than half a second. Okay, so I hope you learned a new concept and enjoyed it. Beautiful explanation. I hope you have a very good day. Thank you. Have a nice day.